Okay, I got some good news. I think I finally found the perfect gloves for me because it checks everything I need.
And they are soft, they're comfortable to wear.
Actually fits really well.
Comfortable, flexible, tough, water resistance.
And they have that added grip on the palm surface.
When I found these, it was pretty much like love at first sight.
And I feel like this has been the absolute perfect solution.
These are breathable, my hands aren't sweaty, and one thing I really like is this area right here.
That's right where my gloves always wear out.
And they're also touchscreen compatible.
Touchscreen compatible.
Touchscreen compatible, so that's actually really, really nice.
I wear them when I'm out hiking, camping, kayaking. I'm an outdoor guy.
Gardening, if you're messing around with an automobile.
In the warehouse, assembly line.
Maintenance, construction work, you name it.
Just a really nice, solid glove.
Gotta say, I'm just super impressed with these.
And overall, I'm really impressed with these.
As someone that's been through hundreds and hundreds of different types of gloves, spending countless amounts of money trying to find ones that are comfortable and flexible, I'm glad to say my search is finally over. So yeah, if you want gloves that are really good quality and has a great grip, definitely get SaferGrip.